Hey, brother. How you doing?
What's up, man?
How are you?
Thanks for coming.
Of course, of course. Hey, I heard you've been working on a huge project. What's been going on?
Yeah, thanks all for joining me again. It's been a long time coming, and I know a lot of you people have been messaging me, private messaging me, you know, where's the new content? And I said I was going to do video of the next truck. Well, I'm cheating. I did the next truck, now I'm going to show you the truck. But I understand absolutely nothing when it comes to tech, and I don't want to. So I employed Luke here to do some video for me and do the editing and whatnot, because at least now we should be able to do videos on a lot more regular basis. And since we have another truck already started, we should have a lot more content for you. So I'm going to start out here and I'm going to show you the truck that I just completed and give you the lowdown on that, and then we'll go to the one that I've actually started working on.
Cool. Is this it? This is the truck, right?
This is it.
Wow. Okay.
If you come over here, maybe take this angle, at least maybe our folks can see the whole truck, and then I'll explain the truck.
Sure.
So this is a Marty Report certified 1 of 1 1970 F250 4x4, what we call a highboy for those of you who know. This truck has 57,000 miles. It was a one-owner Colorado rust-free truck. It has all its original body panels on it and nothing's been repaired. But it's also now a nut and bolt restoration. If you follow my other videos, you know what I did as far as adding the power steering and making the engine a 390 versus the original 360 that was in it. We did all of that stuff here. This has the aluminum intake, the Holley 650, the ceramic coated headers, the power steering, the 390 crank and rods, and all of those things that we did to the last truck. But for the first time I used radial tires, which a bunch of my purist friends kind of like went off on me, and then they saw the truck done and said, okay, yeah, you win. We'll start under the hood and I'll let you see what we did here. As you can see, this is all nut and bolt, everything is done, but the addition of power steering, the aluminum intake, which I painted blue so that it's not a glaring upgrade, it looks stock. The Holley 650, but we still have the factory air cleaner on there. Pertronix electronic ignition and Excel wires, but we have black wires and everything's hidden as far as electronic ignition. So again, I always go for a stock appearance on these trucks, and that's what I have here now. But it's a far superior truck to the way it was built. It just looks stock, and that's what I always go for. So this is your 390, your power steering. You look down the side here, and this was a laser straight body. There's no filler in the truck anywhere. Take a look and see on the inside of this truck here. The truck is dusty and dirty because the new owner is getting the truck in maybe a week or two. And when I deliver it to them, I will have it detailed. I've got a little bit more buffing and perfecting to do and a couple of different things. I always make mention of Auto Crafters, my sponsor. They're so good to me. But there's so many things on this truck that are Auto Crafters, I wouldn't even begin to know where to start to tell you. But all of these rubber seals, door sill plates, these chrome seat caps, the steering wheel and the horn ring, the dash pad, the dash bezel, the carpeting, the bezels over the shifter, the rear view mirror, all of that stuff, door armrests, window cranks, the window knobs, the window handles, all of this stuff is Auto Crafters, and even the door locks and the escutcheons, everything here is all Auto Crafters. They have such a great array of parts for these trucks that if you need it, you're probably going to get it for you, and the prices are very, very competitive. These wheel opening moldings are new Auto Crafters. The rocker moldings are originals, I just polished them up. The trim here, Sport Custom emblem, tailgate fascia, taillight surrounds, reflectors, back bumper, the chrome latch lever, all of that is Auto Crafters, all brand new stuff. So there's so many Auto Crafters parts on this truck. Again, I wouldn't begin to know where to tell you to start with what they are. Now, as far as the truck, I told you what it is, 390, it's still the original NP435 transmission, still the original AM radio. The interior has been upgraded. A Sport Custom would come with vinyl flooring, we put carpeting in it. It would have come with a basic bench vinyl seat, and now you can see that it's upholstered, and that's just material I picked out online that matched the build. This truck is called New Lime, It actually kind of looks yellow in pictures, but close up you can see a green tint to it. I'm going to give the truck a quick start up. We're in the garage and I don't want to asphyxiate us here. There's still some salt residue on the road, so I'm not going to drive the truck this time, but you at least get to hear the truck. A whole lot more stout now than it ever was with a 2-barrel 360. It's probably somewhere around 345 horsepower. It's not a monster, but far better than it ever was. The truck really runs well now, and it'll pull for days. The torque is far better than it ever was when it was originally built. So, as I said, this is nut and bolt. Literally, the frame was laying on the floor.
Yeah.
The axles are rebuilt, trans rebuilt, all new clutch, everything, completely rebuilt engine. All the springs have been rebuilt, rebushed. I mean, there's nothing that has not been touched on the truck. So, you're looking at a brand new 52-year-old truck. And since I built the truck and then did the video and I couldn't show you a lot of the process, we are going to insert some still pictures in here as a slideshow so you can see kind of where we started with and what we wound up with. So that's where we are, and again, I apologize that it's taken so long. You all probably thought I died, but again, you know, life gets in the way, and I don't understand this tech stuff, so all I was concerned with was building the truck, and now that I have more video help and a little bit more labor help now, should be able to get through trucks a little faster and get you a lot more content. So thanks for tuning in, and remember the like and subscribe buttons, that's important. It helps me keep doing this stuff. So y'all take care.